It's fucked up. Say it happened right after we married. I know the devil give a problem when you're married. But I just saw. I was never going to sit in something that I don't want to be in anymore. I chose to go. 10 never left me. 10 never run me. And we had a peaceful going away. It did peaceful in whole heap of tears from both of us. But I knew that 10 will never have a career when I am involved. And the reason why I'm going to say that, everybody on the internet, as me and them have something, them call 10 name. But they never give me my basket for carry yet. And me can't just bear it no more, so me I bring down him career. And me make him no mind him son. And me make him mother not like me. And me make him friend them and him this. And me make... It was a lot. I cannot bring the burden anymore of being the blame. I didn't even leave 10 in a hurtful stage when he hurt me or did something. You know, when you walk up from your relationship because the man do something and the man do this and the man do that and you vex and walk away. No, I didn't leave that time. I left when we were actually okay. I was mentally checked out. Then live someone calling. Yeah, talk about the situation. Did I love 10? Yes, everybody knew that. Did 10 love me? I think so. But love is not always it. You see me? We had amazing time. We have a whole heap of laughter. We had a lot of crying. We had good times and we had bad times. And I think that happens in every relationship. Sometimes the bare minimum is not what we want. And sometimes some people think they are doing their best, but the best is just not good enough for you. And maybe I thought I was doing the best, but it wasn't good enough for 10. And maybe 10 thought he was doing the best for us, and it wasn't good enough for me. Babe. Hello? Yes. Done with the live. Yeah. The reason why I came out today to address this is because it's unfair. It's still unfair to me, knowing that we are not together, but people are still trolling me for him. I have done enough. I have taken all the hits, all the disgrace, all the backlash. I took everything. So if I am done, please leave me alone. This is the only reason I came to talk about this. I will never bring down 10. I don't have any reason to bring him down, because this is what I know. When we did good, we did good, and when we're bad, we're bad. But I'm not gonna come on this and bring him down and he was the worst and this and that, because we really had fucking great time together. No matter what people are gonna say or road, I had the good, the bad and the ugly, just like anybody else. And if you have a relationship and it's good for you, great. I don't have nothing bad to say about him. Only message me after 10 pounds, but G, go and go be a star. And if I ever held you back in any way, or whatever I ever did on the internet, to mess around with your career, or anything with you, I apologize. You don't have to apologize to me about nothing. I take my beating. I stand up. I did my part. I was a G for you. You understand? And it not have to be nothing. It not have to be nothing. No, nobody not have to say nothing. No warrant have to go on. You see me? But they hold up my part of the bargain. I took all the hits everywhere. Nobody fight you, they all fought me. Go and go be a star. You're a bad artist. I'ma know you have it in you to go win. So go win. You see me? So I didn't lie to myself and I didn't cap. When the breakup was happening, then say, yo, me I go work for my music. I'ma say, yo, me I go work for myself. I never fuck for you, ever. I stayed in that shit. And then me left. No boy, I never have my name all about. I never disrespected you in the streets. I never do not know what some girl do. I never took revenge to you. I did none of that. I loved you even on the bad times. I would never bring my next relationship on the internet. I was a good woman, but maybe not good enough for you. And this is what most of us think. Because we are this or we are that, we feel like so we are the best. Sometimes we are not the best for the person, but we are the best for ourselves. And maybe I wasn't the best for him, but I know I'm the best for myself. Because nobody can love Kay like Kay. Nobody. Maybe Paris. And when you go into a relationship with a certain level of expectation, it will fuck you. I expected so much. But when young people in the same level of life and living and mentality, most time it's not going to work. Ten artists, girl go want him and him fucking look good. He's a nice, tall, nice ear, nice skin, nice smile. The boy look good. Girl go want him. Can't fight him for that. Me look good. Boy them want me, but it look like them did afraid. You know what? Sometimes them run down the DM and them run out back. And like what man tell me what they are. You know how long me love you, but I'm afraid to tell you. Because any girl I say go and talk about them man on the internet, me no bother want them.